Did you know that the key to building wealth lies in mastering the art of buying assets? Assets are items of value that put money in your pocket. They can range from real estate investments to stocks, bonds, and even fine art. The trick to building wealth isn't about earning more, it's about owning more. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. This is the principle behind buying assets. When you purchase an asset, it works for you day and night, generating income or appreciating in value. It's like having a tireless team working tirelessly to grow your wealth. So remember, don't just work hard, work smart. Make your money work for you. Start by investing in assets. And before you know it, you'll be on your way to mastering the art of building wealth. In the grand scheme of things, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep. And the best way to keep money is to invest it in assets. This is the secret to building wealth. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a lifestyle. A lifestyle of smart choices and strategic investments. Remember, the ultimate goal isn't to become rich, but to become wealthy. And wealth is measured not by the money you earn, but by the assets you own. So start today. Start buying assets and start building your wealth.